Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to do about probability. Question number 1. We need to select an ace card, then a number 5. So we know that there are 4 ace cards in here. So we put about 4 over 52. So because the number of cards in here, that is about 52. Because in the first one, we select about one ace card. And in the question without replacement, after we select one ace card, we only have 51 left. And the next one, there are 4 number 5 in here. So we put number 4 gold here. And now we calculate this one, and you got number 4 over 663. Number 2, we select one hot card. So about the hot, we see that this is about the hot, and this one we have 13 cards in here. Out of 52, about a spade, that is about a spade in here, and we have 13. Because the first one we select one card from hot, so now we have only 51. So we calculate this one, and we have 13 over 204. And this is the answer for question number 2. Question number 3. In this one, there are 4 cards of number 9. So that should be about 4 over 52. Later that we select another number 9. Because on the first one, we select 1 out of 4 number 9. So we just have only number 3. So that means we have 3 cards of number 9 out of 51. Because the first one we select 1 card in out of 52. That's why you got 51. So we calculate this one, and we have 1 over 221. And now we go to the next one. We need to select a face card. In this one, there are 12 face cards in here. So we put 12 out of 52. Even card, that is about 2, 4, 6, 8, and number 10. There are 20 even cards. Because the first one we select 1 out of 12 face cards. So now the total is about 51. So we calculate this one, and we got 20 over 221. So the next one, we have 12 face cards in here, and that is about 12 over 52. And then we select another face card, that's about 11 over 51. So we calculate this one, and we got 11 over 221. And now we go to the last one. An ace we have 4 ace cards in here. Then a king. So we have 4 kings. Then another ace. So we select 1 out of 4 in here. Now we just have only 3 left. And the last one, that is about 50. So we calculate this one, and you got number 2 over 5,525. This is the end. Thank you for watching.